Well, it's a beautiful day, but we've been hearing sounds coming from this direction. And it appears like it's coming behind that shovel, but I think it might be coming from here.
Where? Those bags?
That bag appears to be kind of
Take it
open.
off.
And I'm recording this, you know.
Take that bag down
This one?
first. We'll do the bags first.
Okay.
You have to throw away everything.
Ooh, it's heavy.
It is? Well, it's not open all the way.
It's open.
But how do we open all the way?
Doesn't look like there's anything in there, just my regular stuff.
Nothing else open?
That one's not open. And those two aren't open. It's got to be behind there.
We'll move these bags in case
Let me
something.
take this tire down.
You sure nothing's in here? This
Yeah.
looks nasty. Keep
I know.
Throw it away.
No, I got
Oh,
expensive tools in there.
okay. All right, ready?
How about this one? Oh, that's too light. This one, that's closed up. Let's see what's behind here. Think it might be coming from over here.
I don't know.
Maybe it's nothing at all.
Well, it was an animal. I heard it.
Okay. So you just want me to take this shovel down?
Yep.
Okay.
Slowly.
Nothing there. Nothing there.
Listen, so it's got to be back over here.
It was coming directly from there.
From back here?
Well, I don't think from back here.
Well, at least we know it's not the shovel.
Huh.
I think it's back there.
Where? Back behind here?
Yeah, something. What's back over there?
Nothing. There's nothing
You got
there.
a flashlight?
See if people can see if there's something in there. I don't know what that was, and it disappeared after you did
No, I
that.
was pounding on the thing.
And it just stopped making the noise.
So why
You
would
should open this bag up more.
why want me to do it? Why can't you do it? Sure, freaking bag.
There's nothing in there. It's nothing. Yeah. That's a lot of expensive stuff. Oh, there's my wrench. That's expensive. Wow, these are expensive wrenches. That must be for... Dang. I'll have to go through that. Okay, I don't see anything.